You can control your BP and sugar by yourself. Does it sound crazy? It's not. Really, you can control your BP and sugar by yourself. Your body has answer of every question, and questions are also formed by you only. Anyways, you can control your BP and sugar by yourself. How? Let's discuss. There is a gland in our body called pineal gland. It is a P-shaped gland in our body, which acts as a natural clock in our body. When to wake up, when to feel sleep, when you feel hungry on a particular time. These are some of the examples which I have given you. This happens because of the pineal gland in our body, which is a natural clock. So, how to control your BP and sugar? Some people are doing starvation and fasting. By starvation and fasting, your BP and sugar rises. Fasting is the other thing and starvation is the other thing. You can do fasting but don't be on a starvation mode. But people do opposite. People are not doing fasting but people are on a starvation mode. Fasting helps your immune system to build but starvation makes your body weak. So, by controlling your habits, you can control your BP and sugar. Let me explain. If you are taking breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning, next day you will feel to have breakfast at 8 o'clock morning only. If you are taking lunch at 11 o'clock in the morning, next day you will feel hungry at 11 o'clock in the morning only. If you are feeling sleepy today, or if you fall asleep today at 9 o'clock at night, next day you will feel sleep at 9 o'clock at night only. This is how your natural clock in your body works, that is the pineal gland. This pineal gland keeps reminder of everything. So basically, by changing your food habits or daily habits, you can make a healthy life. So, you have maintained the timing of the breakfast, lunch and dinner on the daily basis. Like, if you have done the breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning, next day you have to do breakfast at 8 o'clock in the morning. If you have taken lunch at 11 o'clock in the morning, next day you have to do lunch at 11 o'clock in the morning. If you are doing dinner at 7 o'clock at night, you have to do dinner at 7 o'clock at night. If you fall asleep at 9 o'clock at night, you have to feel sleep or you can have to fall asleep at 9 o'clock at night only. There is a circadian rhythm in our body and the pineal gland in our body does this only. That is why we feel hungry at a particular time, we feel sleepy at a particular time. The system works in our body because of the pineal gland. So basically, it's a lifestyle modification. And you have to focus on something daily. That is, wake up early in the morning and sit on your bed for at least 2 minutes to 5 minutes. And then out of the bed. Don't immediately jump out of the bed. Do yoga and meditation daily. Yoga for at least 15 minutes to half an hour and meditation for at least 5 minutes. 5 minutes meditation is enough. But more if you can do the meditation for at least half an hour to 1 hour meditation is good. Walk daily. Walking is must. Walking on the mud is good. But you should not walk on a concrete flooring, that is cement flooring. Don't take walk on that. Better you should walk on mud or on green grass, that is lawn. Walking on mud or green grass or lawn, it will boost your brain and you will feel energetic. Plant trees, but big trees like mango tree, guava tree, neem trees, which gives you oxygen. Spend time in nature. Have breakfast and lunch in nature. You will feel free of tension. By spending time with the nature, you will reduce your stress and tension. Slowly, you will feel like you are healing from inside because nature has the tendency to heal. By doing these simple things, you can control your BP and your lifestyle can be better if you are doing this on a daily basis. Even I am doing it and it really healed me from the inside.